Evening chores. Hi. Hello. The chickens already know when I come out with the blue bucket that I've been cooking something and they're gonna get some leftovers. Hi, babies. Hello, my loves. Hello. Hello. You're pretty girls. Hi, Shadow. Are you loving your sisters today? Hi, everybody. Hello. Let's see if I can get y'all to eat a cracker. Let's see. Let's see. Try this. Try it. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's different. That's different, isn't it? Yeah. Here we go. Here you go. Oh, come here, sweet Bernice. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, Beefy, look out. Oh, kitty. Oh, kitty boy. Hi. Oh, goodness, sorry about the finger. Hard to do this sometimes when you got your hands full. I'm covered in mush. Hi, babies. Oh, we're supposed to get some bad storms here tonight, so everybody's gonna have to hunker down, you hear me? Tater Tot, where are you going? You ain't supposed to be out the fence. Tater Tot. Pretty baby. Oh, Mikey. That was not very nice. That was not nice at all, Michael. Alrighty. I'm sure waters are probably warm now. No, actually, they're pretty good and they're pretty clean. Surprisingly. I have found that the goats will not drink after the chickens, which is probably not a bad thing. And no, Gideon. No, Gideon. Come on, no Shadow. Say hello, my baby. Shadow. Good girl. Come on, bring it here. Come on. Come on, you silly goat. You good baby. Come on. Whoa. Careful, honey. Careful. Just let her stand on it for a few minutes and get used to it.
Why do they like that? Other side.
Because their goats are rolling them and they are having fun. Baby goat. Come on. Come here. Hi, baby. Come here. Hello. Spoiled rotten girl.
Come on, Giddy.
Oh.
Ready? Come on, Giddy.
I'll go see if we got more pellets for you. Hi. How you doing, pretty girl? Well, I am happy to say that all 7 piglets here at the house have survived, and Willa Jean's 12 that are with her have also survived. So everybody made it through the night except that very last piglet. Everyone's eating. The little runt is still needing to be fed by a medicine dropper, but everybody's alive. And they're cute as can be.